Man, coronavirus got us out here quarantining ourselves, not hanging around nobody, anything like that. So I was on my mini bike today, riding my mini bike. A few of my guys got these little mini motorcycles. They're not motorcycles, it's just little mini bikes, you know. But I'm out here cleaning off my patio set so we can roast marshmallows soon. Although the weather here in Chicago is not the greatest, it's gonna be good to do roasted marshmallows, right? So here we are, mid-April. Weather is what it is. It's fluctuating up and down. But I'll show you guys my mini bike. Hold on. Be on this doggone thing, man, having fun. I got it all the way up to 60 miles an hour. It's just too goddamn fast, to be honest with you. But I have fun with it. So I'm a ZDX. Lost some more foes for it, but so this is my mini bike, right? This little thing right here. Man, I didn't beefed it up like a mug, man. I'm getting it at, like I said, 60 miles an hour right now. So it's lit up. Then got my flags in the back on it. Then I got lights all on it. It's a Coleman Minibike though, but I've put a new torque converter on it. I took the governor off of it, everything, man, just to make it faster. I think I did some good goddamn work because it is fast. The police in Chicago don't bother you at all. So, and my Skylark is sitting right here. I got it in the shop right now, getting the transmission put in it. The CDX, them 24s on it. They're coming off. Ordered some new ones today, just because, you know, had to spice it up a little bit. It's my mini bike. I'm out, man. Y'all be careful during this COVID-19 situation, pandemic that we have going on. And I'll talk to you guys later. All right, I'm out.